Mailchimp campaign tutorial. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your own campaign on Mailchimp. So to get started, you're going to go on Mailchimp.com and you're just going to click on sign up for free. Mailchimp is a free software available for you to start sending your own emails to your different email marketing companies. Now, once you have signed up for Mailchimp, this is going to be your basic dashboard. And it's pretty simple to understand. On your left, you have your navigation, where you have your create section, your audience, your campaign, automations, website building, content studios, integrations, and your basic search. Below that, you have your personal account settings as well. Now, to start creating your first email campaign on Mailchimp, you're just going to click on create over here. And now you're going to see what kind of email campaign you're looking to create. First, we're going to go on to email, and then you're going to select what kind of email you want. If you want this to be a regular old email campaign like a welcome board, you can keep it regular. If you want to keep it plain text, because it might suit your business a bit more, plain text emails might be a bit more professional. And if you're working in like a university or something like that, you might want to keep it plain text, or you can use your own template for your email designing. Let's say we are going to use a template for sending our first email campaign, and we're just going to click on template, and we're going to click on get started. Now to set up your email campaign, you're going to choose if you want to use a layout, a theme, or if you want to use your own code. So if you want to paste in your own HTML or import your zip, you can do that as well. But for beginners, I would suggest that you should just get started with a theme, because the themes available on Mailchimp are pretty good. You're going to be able to see that there are many different categories of themes, and you can see even by the color schemes that they have a lot, like holiday themes. They also have newsletter themes. Any kind of basic theme that you're looking for, you're probably going to find on Mailchimp. One of the benefits of using an email sender like Mailchimp is that it really simplifies your work by a lot. What you're going to do to set up your email campaign is, first off, select the kind of email that you actually want. Let's just say we actually want a sale announcement email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this template over here, and I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to customize it according to my own email. You can see over here you have your blocks, and then you have style. You can select how many pages you want. The pre-header, header, body columns for mobile styles, and referral badges. And then you also have block. So if you go into the blocks over here, you can add different kinds of sections. So if you want to add more text to your email, you can select, drag and drop over here, and then more text can be added in this block. Or if you want to add text box, add dividers, all that stuff, just drag and drop. So once you select the text, you will drag the block over here. You're going to type in the text that you want. So XYZ company has a nationwide sale or something like that. And then you're just going to save and close. So once you have added the blocks that you need, you're just going to click on over here, back into your template. You can just click on preview and test. Once you're done with your email design, obviously you're going to customize it a bit more. An easy way to customize it is by just clicking on the text that you have, and then once you click on the text, you can drag it along and move it accordingly. You can add different sections according to your needs, and you can click on this button over here to delete the sections that are already present and that you don't really need. Once you have added and removed any section that you need or don't need, you're just going to click on enter preview mode, and you're going to get a preview of the email that is going to be sent now. Under preview mode, not only do you get a desktop preview, but you also have a mobile preview and also an inbox preview. So how it's going to look in people's inboxes, you can also see that on the premium version of Mailchimp. Now, once you have your email ready, you're just going to click on save and exit, and then you can name your template. So it could be a sale 2021 temp, and you're just going to click on save over here. Now, this is just the basic design for your email. Now, to get your entire email campaign process set up, this is just the first step. So you have created your email. Now with your email, how are you going to actually send it? What is the process of automating that entire process? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to take the email that you have over here, and you can edit it accordingly to different occasions or different events. What you're going to do is click on over here and select this email. Now, once you select an email, you can start sending it to your email list And your emailing list are the people that you have added in your contacts or in the emails that you have saved onto Mailchimp, or the people that can be sent these emails and the people that have subscribed to your newsletters. Maybe you can do that. So now once you have created your email, the next step is going to be to start your campaign. You're just going to click on your campaign section over here, and then you're going to click on create campaign. Now once you do that, you're just going to click on design email, or you can just go directly into the sign up form or share your ad, and then you're just going to click back onto exit because you have already done the email section. What we are now going to do is we are going to start sending our emails. So you just click on view emails by type, and you can see the different emails that we have. We can select these and we can delete the campaign that we already have, or we can just go on to all over here, and then we can view all of the campaigns that are currently running or have been ongoing or completed. Now to start your email campaign, you need to first create your email, and if you already have done that, that's the most of the work done. And after that, you just have to select your email, and then you're just going to go onto your audience section as well. You're going to add different contacts. So if you go on to the all contact section over here, you can see I only have added one contact, that is myself, on this email account now. Actually, when you're sending your own email campaigns, and that's just thousands of people, you're going to make sure that you have all of those added, and then you're going to make them a singular audience, and then send your email campaign from the campaign section to over there. So once you have that basic journey, you can even automate your campaign. So if someone subscribes to your newsletter in December, they're given a discount coupon. So you can create automated journeys on Mailchimp as well, and that's pretty simple. You just have to go into automation. You're going to click on from scratch, and then you're just going to add that whoever subscribes in December is going to get a coupon. It's pretty simple, and it's really not that difficult to create your own email marketing journey on Mailchimp. Now on Mailchimp, not only can you create different campaigns at the same time, you can have multiple campaigns, and on your campaign manager section, you're easily going to be able to keep track of all the campaigns that you have, and within your campaign section, you even have a calendar view, so it can be what kind of email marketing campaign that you currently have running, what is the upcoming campaign. Now, the best part about Mailchimp is it's available for free, so you can build your audience with their multi-channel tool for free. You have a marketing CRM, you have a creative assistant, you have a website builder, and a Mailchimp domain, and you also get access to their forms and landing pages. Now, if you want to upgrade to their Essentials version, which starts at $10, you can get custom journey builders, custom branding, A/B testing, and 24/7 customer support. On their standard version, which is starting at $15, you can send time optimization and behavioral targeting, which are two very essential factors if you're looking to run your campaigns on Mailchimp. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and now you are able to create your email campaigns using Mailchimp. We are about to end this video, and to end it on a good note, I would like to request that if you found this video helpful, or if you found this method exactly what you wanted or what you were looking for, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing it with your friends and family who might learn a thing or two from this video, or learn a thing or two from the hundreds of videos that we have on our channel. And of course, if you have any questions and queries about anything in this video or anything related to our channel, make sure to leave a comment down below and ask us what you want from our videos. I tried to cover everything I could in this video, but if you want to see more details of the methods or the ways in this video, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to make more videos on your suggestions. At the end of the day, it's all about providing you guys with valuable content that could help instill a positive change in your life, and hopefully your friends and family's life as well. And at the end, I would like to request you to make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. It helps out our videos a lot. And again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Goodbye.